In the heart of endless desert sands, where silence stretches as far as the eye can see, rises a palace that feels less like a home and more like a declaration. This is the palace of a royal prince of Saudi Arabia, an estate born from vision, authority, and timeless ambition. It stands where the desert meets destiny, grounded in tradition, yet elevated beyond imagination. From afar, the palace appears calm, almost restrained, but that calm hides immense strength. Golden stone walls reflect the sun with quiet confidence, absorbing centuries of heritage and power. This structure does not compete for attention. It does not need to. It exists with certainty, commanding respect simply by standing still. Every element of this palace has been designed with one purpose: permanence. This is not a home built for a generation. It is built for legacy. The architecture follows no trend and obeys no modern fashion. It is rooted in Arabian identity, royal proportion, and absolute balance. Every line feels intentional. Every space feels measured. Nothing is accidental. As you approach, the scale slowly reveals itself. Vast courtyards open like controlled horizons. Arches rise with authority, framing the sky itself. The palace feels ceremonial, as if every step forward carries meaning. The desert wind moves gently through open passages, carrying silence rather than sound. Even nature behaves differently here. Inside, the experience changes completely. The temperature drops, the air becomes still. Marble floors stretch endlessly, flawless and cool beneath your feet. Ceilings rise higher than expectation, creating a sense of openness that never feels exposed. This is luxury designed for privacy, not display. Grandeur without noise, power without excess. The materials used throughout this palace are among the rarest on earth. Stones sourced from exclusive quarries, marble selected piece by piece, shaped and polished to perfection, metals finished by hand. Everything here has passed through time, effort, and immense cost before earning its place. Nothing is mass-produced. Nothing is replaceable. Light plays a central role in this palace. During the day, sunlight enters slowly through grand openings, reflecting across polished surfaces like liquid gold. Shadows move deliberately, giving the palace a living rhythm. As evening approaches, the desert sky turns amber, and the palace absorbs that warmth, glowing softly from within. At night, the transformation is complete. The palace does not brighten, it awakens. Chandeliers, hidden lighting, and warm glows illuminate stone and marble with elegance. The darkness outside enhances the presence inside. The palace feels protected, powerful, and alive, like a crown resting in the desert. This home is not only a symbol of authority, it is also a sanctuary. Despite its size and value, it offers calm. Water flows through carefully designed channels. Courtyards breathe. Palm trees soften the stone. The desert may be harsh, but inside these walls, balance rules. Time slows. Silence deepens. The lifestyle this palace offers is beyond imagination. Every moment feels elevated. Every movement feels intentional. This is a place where power rests, where decisions are made quietly, where comfort is absolute and privacy is guaranteed. The home adapts to its owner, never the other way around. What truly separates this palace from any other residence on earth is its rarity. Homes like this are not built to be sold. They are not created for the market. They are designed for individuals whose lives exist beyond ordinary limits. Replicating this palace today would be nearly impossible, not just because of size alone, but because of the craftsmanship, time, location, and identity embedded into it. If this palace were to be valued today, its estimated worth would exceed $1.8 billion, not simply because of land or materials, but because of exclusivity, privacy, security, heritage, and the fact that there will never be another exactly like it. This is not real estate. This is royal heritage shaped into architecture. This is luxury without compromise. This is a palace that does not follow the world, it stands above it. And now, if you want to continue exploring the world's most powerful homes, royal palaces, and ultra-luxury estates, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because this channel is your gateway to a world very few will ever see. Beyond luxury and scale, what truly defines this palace is control. Control over space, sound, light, and emotion. Every detail has been engineered to create a feeling of absolute command. The walls are thick, not just for structure, but for silence. The distances between spaces are intentional, allowing privacy without isolation. Nothing here feels rushed, nothing feels accidental. The palace responds to its owner, adjusting to the rhythm of the day, the movement of the sun, and the stillness of the night. This is a place where power can rest without being questioned, where luxury exists not to impress others, but to serve the one who owns it. There is also a deep psychological presence within this palace. The moment you enter, the world outside fades away. The desert disappears. Time slows. The noise of modern life no longer exists. What remains is focus, clarity, and presence. This home was designed not only to house wealth, but to protect mindset, authority, and legacy. It is a space that reinforces identity at every step, a reminder that this is not just where someone lives, but where history continues to be written quietly behind walls that will stand long after the world outside is changed.